and every highway and yeah, I'm gonna have to fucking postpone today's video, man. This is like a brand new truck, man. This is like a fucking brand new truck. I didn't even fucking do anything stupid with it. And look, the fucking check engine light is on. And like a fucking service thing came up and it said service fucking transmission. And like when I first turned it on, it was like revving like way too fucking high. Like, are you kidding me? Like, I didn't take it off-roading. I didn't do anything stupid with it. I didn't even bump anything. Like, I've literally been, like, driving it like a fucking Rolls Royce. Like, I've been driving it perfectly, and it's like my transmission's fucked up. Like, are you kidding me? This is fucking stupid, man. This is... I didn't run.